So I'm going to show you how to use interactive stories. Interactive stories is a bonus that comes in your Learning Alive suite, and they all have little life lessons. So Amos Alligator, Airport Adventure is about being on time. I'm Iguana, Treasure Hunter is about being courageous and adventuresome. And Ollie Orangutan, Helping Ollie, is about being kind and helping others. So let's click on Amos Alligator's Airport Adventure.
Amos Alligator's Airport Adventure by Janice Sinclair, illustrated by Rocky Dalrymple.
Okay, so you're always going to have an option to read to me or read by myself. So for this book, I'm going to say read to me.
Read to me.
And each book has 10 spreads, so this is one spread. I'm going to click on the next button and skip to show you one of my favorites. You'll notice there's a read to me button here on the left and a play button here on the right. So I'm going to start with read and I'm going to click on it.
Time to pack. What will he take? Amos is still half awake. He needs a cap, his shoes, and coat. Where are the keys to start the boat? The bag is packed, and his ticket too. Amos, are you nearly through?
Okay, so now we're going to hit the play button. We're going to see a little mini movie and an interactive activity testing us on how well did we listen.
Let's see. Get in this closet and find my stuff to take out of the trunk. See what we got here. Don't need that.
So
There's way too much stuff out here. Help me figure out the few things I need to take along with me.
So we're going to help Amos pack. And in the story we talked about he's bringing his flying cap. So it's glistening. I'm going to click on it.
Oh yeah, I need my flying
So that's
cap.
the clue if it's glistening.
Yep, gonna need a coat.
There's his coat. How about his tickets?
Ooh, don't forget the ticket.
And his shoes.
Gotta take some shoes with me.
And lastly, his key.
Yeah, gotta have keys to start the airboat up.
And I always like to hit this little, you would do this for the rest of the pages, but let me just click on play because I love this with him leaving on the boat. So that's Amos Alligator. I'll just hit this back button right here. And there's my home button. And I'm back to the main menu with interactive stories. Okay, so now let's look at I'm Iguana, Treasure Hunter. So I'm just going to click on it.
I'm a Iguana, Treasure Hunter. Written by Chris Brenneman. Illustrated by Randall Self.
So again, you see the read to me button and read by myself. This time I'm going to click on read by myself.
Read by myself.
And I'm going to pick this particular page. This one's fun. So let's click on the read button. And now as a teacher, I can read it aloud to my kids or the kids can read it. But what's cool as you're reading the sentence, and I'll give you an example, there were so many, let's say I don't know what this word is.
Great.
I just click on it.
Things.
Or you can click on things if you want to emphasize something.
Sunken.
And let's go to the next page. Same thing.
Grabbed.
I can just click on any of these words. And that's true for all of the storybooks. So I'm going to go to the play button. Same thing. Little movie with the interactive activity for comprehension.
Wow, it's beautiful down here. Help me explore. If you see something you want to look at, touch it.
So here we are together under the sea with I'm Iguana. And you'll notice some of these items are glistening. The ship, the sign, the turtle, the clam. So let's click on the turtle.
He looks friendly.
Oh, do I? I'm not friendly at all.
Woohoo! This is fun.
Oh, that makes it fun for one of us at least.
I I'll have to do that again the next time I come here.
Next time you come here, I'll have not to be here.
So it's just a lot of fun. All the different activities for every single page. That just gives you an idea of how I'm Iguana works. Let's click on the home button. The last one is Ollie Orangutan, helping Ollie. Little different format, so I want to show you that.
Helping Ollie.
You'll notice read to me over here on the left and read by myself to the right. So let's do read to me.
Read to me. One day, Ollie Orangutan went out for a walk. It was a pretty day, and Ollie liked to explore new places. So off Ollie went, off to see what he could see.
So in this format, we're going to look for this bluish highlighted line, and we're going to click on it. And we go on the adventure with Ollie throughout the whole storybook. And you're going to walk through all the different adventures with Ollie and helping others. So I'll just click on the home button here. That brings us back to our interactive stories menu, and that's how you can use interactive stories.